Hey, welcome back everybody to yet another beautiful mess video. So this time we are going to go over some of the stock Samsung application updates. As you can see, there are plenty of it. You know how this works. Every time I find a proper changelog, I'm going to try to show you guys what is new, what has changed. Most of the times, those Samsung stock application updates, just get new versions without much, right? So we just know we're getting probably one of the best and most used changelog in the history of the tech industry, and that's bug fixes. But before we dive deep into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. Yesterday we reached 18,000, okay? So hit the subscribe button, and let's start. So the first application is the voice recorder, very fancy with a new version 21.3.5.1.11. Also, there is a changelog. So what is new? Update quick player supported in my files and bug fixes. So this very much sounds astonishing, and we'll probably try to see that one. Quick share. We got a new version. The version here is 13.1.0.3.3, 17 megabytes, no changelog whatsoever. Samsung Cloud, it's all about Samsung Cloud and double authentication and etc. And I don't really get this because the Samsung Cloud, I had the feeling it was discontinued, but it's still here, right? So I'm not sure what you're getting because I knew that Samsung migrated all of these backup things to OneDrive from Microsoft, but hey, there is a new version from yesterday, 5.1.0.5.13, 15 megabytes, and of course, no proper changelog. Thank you, Samsung. Video editor, guys. Okay, again, no changelog here. 21 megabytes, version 4.4.8.0.5, so we don't really know what has changed. And again, if they don't put a changelog, I'm not showing it. Bixby Vision Framework, lowest rating ever. Nobody is really using Bixby. No love for the Bixby. Bixby Vision also updated, but again, see here rating. No love for the Bixby. Digital waypoint updates. What's new? Hey, changelog support widescreen view. Well, that's not so nice, I would say, not so astonishing. But anyway, we have here a new version, 3.2.0.0.8 from the 23rd of May, 12 megabytes. Only 3 more things to go. Smartthing framework, that's potentially interesting. We have here a proper changelog. So Samsung, please, every time you do release a new update, put it like this. If there are no updates, just put no big updates, just bug fixes. Now it's possible to control not only the device, by device type, but also by each device. When it's bedtime, setting the clock up, lights can be dimmed and blinds can be closed. If you're Kanye West and have those types of equipment. When you fall asleep with the Galaxy Watch 4, TV lights can be off and air conditioner can become sleep mode after the bedtime setting clock up. New device is added in the phone app speaker. Alright, that sounds pretty nice, so we're gonna be testing this. Priority mode for all the gamers out there. We just get a new version 2.0.0.0, only 6 megabyte, and then also a new version to the PerfZ app. This is the application that can gather data and show it on screen while you play, like CPU load, average CPU load, and etc, etc. So I'm gonna hit the update button. As you can see, I'm updating all of those applications, and I'm gonna check really what is there to show. I'll probably start with the Smartthing framework and then meet you in 3, 2, and all of your applications are up to date. Good news, everything installed. The first thing we're gonna start, of course, is Smartthing. Now we are able to control not only something by the type of the device, but also by the device itself. So we have the favorites here, learn how to use Smartthings. I already know. And also choose favorites, which I'm gonna skip, and then I'm gonna go to the devices. Okay, in my living room, I have a light color bulb, which is actually true. And of course, I can set it on and off. And I do also have some other devices. By the way, right now the lamp is on. Okay, the lamp is off. You of course cannot see this, but I can see this. And I'm not sure why I'm not able to add my other devices, because I have also some IKEA lights. I have here an air purifier. I also do have a Xiaomi vacuum cleaner, so I have plenty of things. But let's check the speakers, guys, because they said that they also added speakers, and I'm not able to see this. I can see Smart Hub and TAC and etc. But let's try by brand. So if I just scroll down to so many brands, okay, let me just scroll down to Google, and actually Google is not there, which is quite interesting because my speaker is actually from Google, right? So it seems that there are not really a lot of things that I can use. If I go here to device control, you are gonna see that I'm able to find them. I have all of those things and they're really paired to my phone, etc. And I'm not sure why when I open the Smartthings, I'm only able to see here, my lights. Because again, I'm just going to show you guys, I have all these devices and they just are paired with my phone. They should work, right? So again, It's really sad to say, but when I switch to the Google Manager, I can just see my family room, which is the speaker, right? And I can, of course, turn my TV with this and etc. I can also, regulate all my lights, and I can just turn them off and on. And yeah, again, you cannot really see this, but I have 5 lights, right? And everything pretty much running as I expect. So the Smartthings update is not that great, I would say. Let's now check the second thing we can check, which is actually this priority mode. So for the priority mode, I need to go, of course, to Game Launcher, which probably together with the GOS Game Optimizing Service is the worst type of software. Something went wrong, try again later. I'm even not sure what went wrong. But guys, priority mode is from here. So Samsung recommend when you want to get the max out of your phone, just launch Game Launcher, of course, if you're using it and if you are using GOS. Did so many videos about enabling, disabling, impact, and etc. about the game optimizing service. Right now, just leave it like it is. So hit this priority mode and you should be able to get a bit more power. Okay. Now, about the perf, people are asking me how you can use it. Now, you need to click here on more and then click the game plugins. And from the game plugins, guys, you're going to be able to install the PerfZ. So the PerfZ has been updated. I installed it. You can use it to view your system performance indicators, FPS, CPU, GPU, temperature, and also memory usage. So you know what? Let's try to use this. I'm now running the priority mode. I'm gonna launch Apex Mobile, of course, if it does work. And I want to see if priority mode is turned on. That's correct. Now, the interesting part, are we also gonna see here like the CPU location, the RAM, and etc, etc? I really hope so. So stay tuned and let's hope that we're gonna get this displayed. And now, guys, I want to show you something interesting. I have here the PerfZ, so if I click here, I'm going to be able to see the FPS, the CPU, the GPU, and etc. So landscape, wide, unpin, pretty much everything. There is something very important, guys. Remember how we can go and access this menu. If we are using the priority mode, it will block not only the incoming calls and etc. It will also block the PerfZ plugin, which means that you are not able to get any overlays on your screen because you're pretty much in a D&D mode, right? So in order for you to get the PerfZ, you need to turn the priority mode and then those things will actually just pop up on the screen. Okay. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm playing my game and yeah, this is barely noticeable. So I need to just hold my finger like this and I can adjust the transparency. So right now, let me just show you guys, you're able to see the FPU, the temperature, the GPU, and also the RAM, okay? So you can just pin it, you can put it to the left, to the right, to the top, to the bottom, and of course also like this minimal mode. And very important, if you hold my finger like this, you're gonna be able, guys, to just manipulate it. Let's say I don't want to see the CPU, only the FPS, then it's there, right? So you can of course get all of this just down to that, and etc, and etc. But the best thing, of course, is this is very, very much customizable. And if you wanna just monitor your performance while you're playing, then okay, yeah, this is the way to go. Of course, this comes stock, right? This is the so-called PerfZ. Just need to remember, if you use the priority mode, it's gonna get blocked. So you are not gonna be able to use it. And with that said, guys, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Whew, my phone is almost burning my hands. Jesus Christ, but that's, I think, the life of the Exynos Samsung user. Please, you and your family stay safe. I'm gonna cool this baby down and meet you in some of my other videos. With that said, VST over and bye.